In today's video, I'm going to teach you when to use before save versus after save record-triggered flows. Start by signing into your Salesforce account. From the home page, head to Setup and open the Advanced Setup area so you can work in the admin tools. In the Quick Find box, type Flows and open the Flows page. Click New Flow and choose Record-Triggered Flow. We're using a record-triggered flow because it lets Salesforce run automation the moment a record changes, without code. The key decision you'll make here is whether the flow should run before the record is saved or after it's committed to the database. This choice impacts speed, limits, and what actions are allowed. For this walkthrough, pick the case object so we have a clear example. Now select the trigger for when a record is created. You'll notice it says the flow runs immediately. That indicates a before save path. Before save flows are optimized for speed and are perfect for updating fields on the same record, setting defaults, stamping values, and making quick calculations. They don't perform additional database operations on related records, which is why they're so fast and reliable for simple field updates. Switch to the trigger that runs when a record is updated. Again, you'll see it runs immediately, meaning it's set to run before the save by default. Use this when you need to react to changes and update fields on the same record based on new input. Keep your logic lean here, no complex lookups or related record changes, so you preserve performance and avoid hitting limits. If you need to send notifications, create tasks, or touch related records, that's a sign you should move the action to after save. Next, choose the option for when a record is created or updated. This combined trigger also runs immediately, so it behaves like a before save flow out of the box. It's powerful, but be sure to add precise entry conditions so it fires only when it should. Reserve before save for same record field updates, and plan after save for side effects like emails, related record updates, or integrations. Finally, pick the trigger for when a record is deleted. This one doesn't run immediately, it runs only after the delete completes. That's because there's nothing to update before a save, the record is being removed. Salesforce waits until the deletion is final, so you can safely clean up related data, write to logs, or notify teams without conflicting with the transaction. That's it. Use before save for fast, same record field updates, and after save when you need related actions or notifications. Save and activate your flow when you're ready, and subscribe for more.